Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आज आमगेले जरी तरी पॉलिटिकल सिट्युएशन बाणाले चेंज जालो बट हे पयलीं जावपाक जाय आसलें आमगेले म्हाका दिसता समवेर आवर प्रिवियस MLA फेल शॉर्ट ऑफ दीस तो इश्यू पयलीं जावपाक जालो बट आमी ते सोंड दिवपा जायना आज आमगेलो जो न्यू MLA आहा तोय आज फाटल्यान आहा पंचायतानूय तेमी आज पॉझिटिव्ह उतर दिला तेणी रेजोल्युशन केला मातशें तेणी डिले केली हांव म्हणून तेमी कित्याक डिले केली कित्याक पंचायतान सांगलोलें आमी कळल्या पयलें सायन्सा तेणी दिवना मागीर हो लोक काळान तेगेले सरपंचा घराक गेलो ते म्हणपाक लागले तुमी 9:30 आमी दितले आनी हो इतलोय लोक आहा तो 9:30 सावन रावतालो आनी मागीर आमगेले सरपंच सेक्रेटरी 12:30 हिंग येयले आनी आतां म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट एका इशें आतां तेणी हांव म्हणा तेजे मत कितें डिस्कशन जालें तें तेणी दिलां बट हें डिस्कशन हीच बॉडी आसलोली पयलीं तेणी हें डिसिजन पयलीं घेवपाक जाय आसलें फॉर द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द विलेज आमगेलें तरी हो स्ट्रिटाचेर तर जायना जरी तरी हो आमगेलो आमी स्ट्रिटाचेर मागताय हो रोड तर जायना जाल्यार द कॉन्सिक्वेन्सीस वील बी व्हेरी डिवास्टेटींग सो आमी मागताय आमी CMाकूय आमगेलो जो सरकार आहा तेकाय मागता आतां म्हाका सद्दां न्यू CM आमगेलो हें कोतलो ओत घेतलो आमी तेकडेय मागताय की ही जी आमकां आमगे जायते वर्सां प्रॉब्लेम हें आतां आनीक जरी तर हिस्ट्री चयली जाल्यार हो आमगेलो आख्खो गांव बुडवता जेन्ना आमगेले पावस पडटा तेदोना सो
I'm architect Royla Fernandez, petitioner in the NGT and also intervener in the suo motu petition. आमी पळयलां की 2 दीस पयले थिंगा फिलिंग स्टार्ट जाल्लें. Yes, the land is acquired and they have got orders. But at the same time, in July 2021, I have submitted my petition to the panchayat. तेज फाटल्यान इन नोव्हेंबर इंटेरियम एप्लिकेशन केल्लें तेंय सबमीट केलें बट सरप्रायझिंगली आ पंचायत केन्ना एक दीस देखून एक्शन घेवंक ना इनफॅक्ट आय हॅव आस्क्ड अंडर RTI टुडे टू नो वॉट इज द स्टेटस I know unofficially I have been told it was just written as noted. There were पंच मेंबर्स आसले झेवियर पेरेरा तेणे रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें सांगलेलें की आमी पंचायतान लॉयर अपॉइंट करून we have to support the petition in the demand for stills. The Gram Sabha way back in 2016, even in 2016, not only Gram Sabha, even in the regional plan, तितून देखून आमी सर स्पेसिफिकली बरयलेलें आहा आमकां वेस्टर्न बायपास आहा तो स्टिल्सांचेर जायो. And even quote in 2010 there's an action taken report done by the South Goa Collectorate in terms of disaster management and तितून देखून specify केल्लें when the western bypass will come towards Tholeband or Kharyaband area in Benavali, it will lead to more flooding. Itli evidence astana, and if you go to the disaster management plan, even from 2000, you will see that Tholeband area is a flood-prone area, and it is specified. So when it is already there, why shouldn't the government consider a proposal given by the villagers to give it on stilts? After the NGT application. And
are you satisfied with the action of today's action of Panchayat?
It's justice delayed is justice denied. When action could be taken way back in June and even much earlier when the Panchayat was informed, there were people agitating peacefully, never stopped any work, protest kelle, appeal kelle, even at the Ministry of Environment's office through the Biodiversity Board, the Panchayat Sarpanch as well as the Biodiversity Chairman, who happens to be the Deputy Sarpanch of the village, were called. And even there we have been working much before the petition was filed. But the Panchayat did not cooperate, or you can say the ruling did not cooperate in putting the western bypass on stilts. I say it again, justice delayed is justice denied. High Court is tracking this matter suo motu. The High Court itself is taking interest and we have delayed a lot. I only plead to the government and the High Court that they should visit this place, see ground reality and then decide whether it has to be filled with earth filling to do the bypass on embankments or think about sustainable development and put it up on stills.
I'm the ward member of that particular ward from where the western bypass is going. आणि आम्ही आता काल रेजोल्युशन आम्ही काल घेतलेले की एक तर ॲडवोकेटाक अपॉइंट करपाक सो ते दोन्ही रेझोल्युशन आम्ही आज सरपंचाकडे साईन करून घेतला.